So you have 10 minutes to practice piano. You open the lid, you glance at the clock, and suddenly it feels like, what's the point? Might as well scroll through Instagram, right? But those 10 minutes, they can actually really count if you know what to do with them. We've all been there, a crazy day, no time for a full practice session, and it's tempting to skip completely. But that's the worst option. Even a little bit of practice will keep your fingers in shape, your brain engaged, and your pieces are not going to sink to the bottom of the ocean. Staying in shape matters, and you will feel better too. Pick one technical thing, scales, arpeggios, or an etude you're working on, and just go. No deep thinking, no interpretation, just movement, clarity, finger control. Even 5 to 10 minutes of focused technical work keeps your playing sharp and prevents decline. If you're working on a piece, just zoom in on one small section. Just a few measures that are giving you trouble. Slow it down, fix the fingering, fix the right notes. This is high impact practice in a very short period of time. Having a good look on one difficult section today means less frustration later. Maybe your brain is tired and you want something fun. Grab an old book. Try sight reading. Go through something new. It's low pressure, but it's totally useful. You're engaging with music, breathing, and keeping your brain engaged. I used to think, if I don't have time to do it properly, then I shouldn't do it at all. But honestly, that mindset led to just not practicing. Turns out doing something is always better than nothing. Small consistent practice adds up and keeps you from that awful feeling of I've forgotten how to play the piano. So next time you've got only 5, 10, 15 minutes, don't overthink it. Choose one thing, play, move your fingers, engage your mind. You'll feel better, you'll stay in shape, and it really does make a difference. Let us know in the comments what's your go-to mini practice when you're short on time. We'd love to hear that.